out there, YouTube. How we doing today? Well, it is that incredible time of the month. You guessed it. We got a box. That means it's the PMP Prep Box. And yep, this month we're ditching the live feeds. We're going back to me in front of the camera. So let's see how this works out. So stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to show you everything that came in that box. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, I'm going to take one moment and talk to you first-time viewers like I always do in my videos. Man, thank you so much for finding this video. It's going to be a weird one, but you're probably going to like it. Now, I'm going to ask that all you guys take a look right down below, okay? You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. Go ahead, hover over that thing, click on it, whatever. It'll bring up subscribe. I want you guys along for the ride. We do things really differently here in what I call our clown car of a channel because we like to have a lot of fun and do crap really, really differently. Alrighty guys, it is that time. The PMP Prep Box is back here on the channel like I said in the opening. Hey, give me a moment here, okay? Okay. Guys, the cuteness factor is kind of off on this side. We've got some items in the box that I don't want her playing with, so she's a little mad at me that I'm not letting her in this video. So when she makes some sounds, don't worry. Alright, now if you're unfamiliar with the PMP Prep Box, look, it's totally cool. He's only been around for what, 20 months? Something like that, Jason? But it's alright. It is a monthly subscription box that has one single level. Basically, you pay $100 and you get more than that in goodies back. You got to sign up every single month. It's not like a reoccurring subscription. So you do have to go back and sign up and buy it each month. I know it's almost bit me in the butt twice, but that's okay. Now, as we always do, here's the packing list. Alright, you got that? Got that? Too bad. We're moving on. Alright, the first item up, and there's only 4 items in this month's box. And that's okay, because there's a huge value item in this box. And what Jason likes to do is when you get that one big item, you don't get like a crap load of, filler items. It's one of the reasons I love the prep box. It's gear you can use, not fluff gear. I don't want to mention any other companies that do things like that, but BattleBox? What, baby? I know, just hang on a moment, okay?
Is it okay?
Can I film this? Okay, thank you. Like I was saying, BattleBox, I don't know, this month they gave you a bar of soap. Just saying. Alright, let's move this box close. So like I said, first item up is the microcord dispenser by Atwood Rope. Jason, bud, I'm going to bust your nuts here for a moment. This is what, the third you've sent us? Third? It's okay. Cordage is good. And I like the fact that it keeps it in a handy-dandy little small area. You can pull it out. It's got a little cutter. I believe it's somewhere like right up top here. Yeah, there it is right there. There's your little cutter right there. That way you can cut off whatever amount you need. And I believe you can refill this with a different spool. Cordage is always great. I don't know why. These things drive me bananas. They always have. They always will. No offense. Alright, there's the first item. That has a $12.99 value. Now look, I know that you guys can go out there on Amazon or find something cheaper, find something cheaper at your local store. These are the values that he has. And you're going to see here in a moment, because I'm going to have to pull up a website, because the high value item I knew nothing about. And I wanted to give you better information other than going, here, it looks pretty, don't it? But like I said, these are the values that he gets given. Alright, I can move that so I can get here. Next item up is by a company that I freaking love, and I don't have one yet. The Vise Multitool. And it's got a value of about $20. Don't worry, you are going to see a much more in-depth review on this on my channel. You really will. I can tell you right away it is not TSA compliant because of that little blade right there. Or that one right there. So I wouldn't suggest trying to bring this on a plane on your carry-on. I can see some uses for a smaller one like this. Small little keychain item. I seriously can. And it's a Gerber item I don't have. And anybody who's familiar with my channel knows I love Gerber products. I really, truly do. And before I get too far ahead of myself, guys, if you'd like to know about every single PMP Prep Box that's ever been released, take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for every single one since its very first box. I've got them all. They're all sitting up there. Go take a look. You're going to see some incredible gear. All right, well, let's put you off to the side. Now, this next item, I'm really happy he included. All right, I won one of these a long time ago in a Facebook giveaway. Mine was different than this one I'm about to show. It's by the Wazoo Survival guys, and it is their fire starter necklace. And it's got a value of 24 bucks. The one that I had Brianna, thank you. The one that I had leather, a leather strap on it, so it made it a little bit of a pain in the tail. This one's got paracord, breakaway buckle right here, so it makes it a lot easier getting it on and off. There's ferrous rod, ceramic striker right here, and if I remember correctly, yeah, okay. The paracord has fire cord in there. Basically, that's what this little guy is. Imagine like that wax wick inside your candle. That's pretty much what fire cord is. It gives you a way to help strike and catch that fire and make it go. You're going to see something we have in an upcoming project using the internal strands off a fire cord. But I really do like this upgraded one. I think I gave the other one away, but I'm keeping this one because I really love that breakaway buckle part. All right, now, here's the one I had to look up. This is the big ticket item. Not just a box. It's a huge box from Kaiser, isn't it? Seriously, it's freaking huge. When you open that one up, you get another cool box on the inside, which is more of like your little presentation box. But if you guys know this channel, you know I've already gone through everything with my mailman. But what we got is the Kaiser Salient Fixed Blade. I hope I'm saying that right. And they gave it a value of 100 bucks. Well, Jason, when I went looking for this, on Blade HQ, it's got a value of an MSRP of 166 bucks, and their price is 116. Brianna, please, let me finish this. Okay, let's get the specifications, because I really don't know that much. Ooh, the scales are G10. Blade steel, excuse me one moment. Okay, so it's 1095 high carbon, no big deal. So you're gonna have to really take care of it. I figured it may be, especially with that 1095 right there. A Morgan Cones design, cool. All right, it's got an overall length of 11.875 inches and the blade 6.25. Done in like the drop point style, flat grind. I like it, with the black finish. So you will be seeing this coming on the channel. In case you're curious, it is made in China, don't care. But there's a great example. Oh, and it comes with a really cool Kydex sheath. First thing I can say that I think is wrong. Oh, no, there we go. I was going to say I didn't see any little drainage point, but there it is right there. I'm going to have to get like a tech lock or something else because that's not going to go with a paracord belt that I have that I usually wear. And it's not going to go with most military belts, I think. But still, comes with a Kydex sheath, I think is really, really good. Great retention. Yeah. Oh, yes, okay. Let's see how sharp. I'll take that. That's hardly any pressure.
Daddy, that's yours.
Yes, I know. We already know, baby. We already know what time her parent-teacher conference is. Don't worry. I'll take that. That's pretty friggin' good. It feels, wow. I really don't care. Okay, so those are the 4 items that came with the box. Now, sorry, it comes with a little wipe down thing on the inside and their usual Kaiser propaganda. Now, the other thing that Jason likes to do, I do pick up his budget blade boxes as well. So it looks like we've got this month's budget blade. What do we got here? A rat. A Vista? A Vespa? Whatever. Sorry, unfamiliar with this one, but there it is. Let me see if I can find something on it here, seeing how I'm on Blade HQ. Oh, what the heck? Hold on, baby.
Look at this. We could cut it this. I think I'm holding now.
Okay, can you stop yelling at me? Oh, I can't find it on Blade HQ, but that's fine. I'll figure out exactly what it is and all that other fun stuff. The one thing that I did notice with playing with it is right away, right there, the liner lock really jams in on mine. It is a manual open, no biggie. Getting it open is no problem. It's just the getting it shut. That liner lock really slams in there. Yeah, I know, I'm gonna feel stupid. I don't know exactly what it is. Vespa, frame lock. Okay, no biggie. We'll find it. You know, so that's this month's budget blade box, plus the other 4 items. That makes up your PMP Prep Box for the month of October. Now, we're at the fun part of the video for me. I know this one's going to be a little weird, all right, simply because I was looking at a screen for a while. And the fact that the cuteness factor is wearing me out because she's upset that she's not in the video just because of the knives. I wouldn't let her be in this one. But still. So, I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. I'd like to know what you think of this month's box. I'd like to know if you've ever used the PMP Prep Box before. I'd like to know, you know, just everything. Leave your thoughts down below. Let's start getting some more great comments out there. Because, yeah, I admit, I'm free one to admit, I wanted to try the live unboxing. Really didn't work. So now we're going back to be behind the camera. Let's see if this picks things up a little bit. Because it's just weird watching all those great views go like this, and then live views go... Let's get you guys back. Give you guys what you want, because I've heard from multiple people don't do the live unboxings. So, let's wrap this thing up. For you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for viewing this video. I know it's a weird one, like I said in the beginning, but we like to have fun here. Now, for you first-timers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, here's your second chance at redemption. Look right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that. That'll bring you right to subscribe. After you've knocked that out the way, please destroy the bell icon. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be... Wow, hiccups and burps. What a day. Going to be popping up right over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. The PMP Prep Box for October 2019. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a good day today.